Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So please ignore my hair. I just got out of the shower and it's kind of wet, but I thought today I would do a everyday makeup look. Okay, so first things first, we gotta put on some moisturizer. I'm using this Calm Water Gel from Dermalogica. Super cute. Okay, so now that that's done, we're going to go in with some concealer. I'm just using this NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and going in under my eyes. And then I'm also going in on the little spots, but I'm not doing it too much because my foundation can cover that up mostly. So we're just doing that. I look so crazy. One thing I struggle with the most is like hairstyles. So I want to film a video where I like try out different hairstyles and like see how they go. I don't know. I usually just brush my hair and then go to school. I'm taking this CC cream. I kind of wish I got the illuminating one, not the matte one, because this is so dry. I put it right onto the brush, which if you've been watching my videos, which you probably haven't, but that's okay, I do that all the time. I just put it right on the brush because then I'm not wasting any product. I always do like little tiny pumps instead of like one big pump onto it because like I can always build it up, but you can't really take away that easily. I didn't put on primer. So that is that. Now, with that on, I love how it completely just got rid of all the redness, like, yes queen. Because I used this IT Cosmetics one that is like a matte finish, I'm gonna use this Hourglass Illuminating Powder because if I use this, then it's like extra dry. I always do like the bare minimum with makeup because I feel like I look good with it, but like when I put too much on, then I'm just like, why did you even do this? We're going in with some bronzer, and since it is the winter and I'm not very bronzed, we're going in with the Butter Bronzer because it's like a little bit lighter of a color, so it doesn't look like I have like mud on my face. But in the winter, no. But in the summer, I use the Hoola Bronzer. If you watch any of my makeup videos, they're all the same. I haven't really changed my routine. I might have changed like a couple products, but that's it. I also put bronzer on my nose and then like blend it out to my cheeks. I tried the fake freckle hacks from like TikTok and like, oh my gosh, no. It looks so bad on me. Why does my back hurt so? I just broke my chair. Literally. Okay, can I show you this? All the legs wiggle. And I made this chair myself. I made my whole desk myself. And I always tighten the legs on this and they always come undone. That's why it's like so annoying. Oh my gosh. So if you hear that, it's just my chair breaking. That's also why I'm trying not to move because like, wow, you probably didn't even care about any of that. Cool. I'm gonna use a powder blush today because that's the vibe. So I'm just going in with this Party blush, even though I don't go anywhere or do anything. Woo! And that was probably way too much. Oh no. It looks like I'm putting way more on in the camera, but I'm not really putting that much on. I say as I add more. And that is that. Eyebrows are kind of a disaster recently, but whatever, we're vibing with it. So we're gonna do some eyebrows. I also discovered that I'm not really a fan of powder highlight. That's what it's called. I'm more of a fan of cream highlight. Okay. I'm sorry, I'm jumping all over the place. I'm using this Anastasia, I don't know, brow thing. It's like a brow tint, and I've been into like more bushy brows recently, so we're gonna do that. Wow, that's bushy. I've never really been into that like whole intense eyebrow thing. Like, I know it looks really cool and good on people, but like I can't like draw, which I know doesn't really have to do with it, but like it kind of does. Like, you have to like make it perfect. Okay, that is my eyebrows. Now for eyeshadow, my new favorite palette is this nude Huda Beauty palette. Nude medium, sorry. Isn't it so pretty? Holy. Oh wait, I forgot I'm like an influencer. So pretty. Those were for the thumbnail, thanks. I never really do anything crazy with my eyes. Also, everything looks so much better in this camera than in real life. Like, I'm telling you that for real. I'm not trying to like be a catfish, because literally for some reason the camera, the lighting, it just all like comes together, and then in real life I'm like, wow, actually I look kind of cute. Do you ever say stuff like that and you're like, wow, I'm so self-centered, and then you're like, no, hype yourself up, you deserve to feel beautiful. Just me? Maybe I am self-centered. Eyelash curler. This is the most important step of all time, because I am probably never gonna get my eyelashes done in my entire life. That just scares me, and it also just like, once you get it done, it kind of ruins your real eyelashes, and I don't want to do that because I love my eyelashes the way they are. They're super long, they're just not as like curled up, so once I curl them up, they look pretty good, so we're just gonna do that. See, can you tell the difference? This one's like, wow, and this one's like, ugh. Last but not least, we're gonna put on some lip gloss, because that's my vibe. I sound so weird. I don't know why I'm talking like this. I'm definitely more of a lip gloss person than a like liquid lipstick person, just because it adds a color to your lip, but it also makes it look kind of shiny and nice. That's the look for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, give it a like, and if you loved it, subscribe. I'd be so happy if you did. I am so thankful for every one of you. I can't believe I have like 300 subscribers now. That kind of is like really crazy to me. So thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.